Across North America, 50 unique states offer diverse landscapes and boundless opportunities. Each state, with its distinct culture, history, and natural wonders, beckons those seeking a place to call home. In this series, we explore 5 states, each offering a unique blend of allure and advantage. Join us as we delve into these American states, examining what makes them truly special. Nestled in New England, Vermont stands as a beacon of tranquility and traditional values. Renowned for its breathtaking autumn foliage and charming small towns, Vermont offers a refuge from modern life's hustle and bustle. Life here moves at a slower pace, governed by nature and community. Neighbors greet each other warmly, and local farmers' markets burst with seasonal colors and flavors. Vermont's pristine lakes, towering mountains, and well-maintained hiking trails invite residents to embrace the outdoors. The state's rich history is evident in its colonial architecture and historical sites. Vermont offers a reassuring sense of permanence and tradition, making it an idyllic place to put down roots. On the northwestern edge of the U.S., Washington State offers dramatic contrasts and boundless opportunities. Seattle, Washington's largest city, pulsates with a youthful energy, fueled by a thriving tech industry. Beyond the sleek glass facades, Seattle retains a distinct charm with its quirky neighborhoods and vibrant art scene. Venture beyond the city and you'll discover towering mountains, sparkling lakes, and winding rivers. Washington's diverse landscapes support a rich array of flora and fauna. The state's commitment to environmental conservation ensures these natural treasures will be enjoyed for generations. Washington State offers a unique and fulfilling lifestyle where innovation thrives alongside natural splendor. In the American Midwest, Minnesota is renowned for its friendly people, exceptional quality of life, and commitment to education and community. Known as the land of 10,000 lakes, Minnesota's pristine waters are deeply intertwined with the state's identity. Minnesota's residents are known for their strong work ethic and deep sense of civic pride. The state boasts a highly educated workforce and a vibrant arts and culture scene. From the iconic North Shore of Lake Superior to the serene Boundary Waters, Minnesota offers a wealth of opportunities to reconnect with nature. The state's commitment to environmental stewardship is evident in its numerous state parks and protected wilderness areas. With its strong economy, excellent schools, and commitment to community, Minnesota offers a high quality of life. In the American West, Colorado is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and world-class outdoor recreation. The Rocky Mountains dominate the state's landscape, offering some of the best skiing, snowboarding, hiking, and rock climbing in the world. In the summer, wildflowers carpet the alpine meadows, while crystal-clear streams offer refreshing escapes. Denver, the state capital, has emerged as a bustling metropolis with a thriving arts and culture scene. Other cities like Boulder and Fort Collins emphasize sustainability, community, and outdoor recreation. Colorado's residents are known for their independent spirit and love of the outdoors. Whether seeking adventure in the mountains or a peaceful retreat, Colorado offers a unique and fulfilling lifestyle. Along the eastern seaboard, Virginia is steeped in history and tradition, yet vibrantly facing the future. As one of the original 13 colonies, Virginia played a pivotal role in the nation's founding. From colonial Williamsburg to Mount Vernon, Virginia offers a tangible connection to the past. The state is home to a thriving technology sector and world-class universities. The Washington, D.C. metropolitan area brings a cosmopolitan flair and job opportunities. Virginia's natural beauty includes the Blue Ridge Mountains and the Chesapeake Bay. Virginia is a state of contrasts, where history harmonizes with the present, offering a fulfilling life. As we conclude our journey, we are reminded that the appeal of a place is deeply personal. Each state exemplifies the enduring allure of the American dream, the promise of a better life. Whether drawn by Vermont's tranquility, Washington's innovation, Minnesota's values, Colorado's adventure, or Virginia's history, each state offers a unique tapestry of cultures and dreams. The United States, in its vastness and diversity, offers a place for everyone, where the pursuit of happiness is woven into the nation's fabric.